Hello people and welcome back to NewYorkDashCam channel, a channel that features some of the most epic and crazy road encounters ever caught on driver's dashcam. We'll start today's episode off with a totally crazy driver who was speeding down the road, and because of that he nearly caused a head-on collision. Check this one out. It looks like we have a beginner driver at our hands here. Check out how this lady tried to reverse onto the parking spot, but unfortunately she was not careful enough, and because of that she rear-ended another parked vehicle.
What was that, you stupid?
Pay close attention at the crazy driver in front of the camera here. He moved into the right lane at the same time as the camera was moving, which means he didn't even bother checking his side view mirrors, and he fled from the embarrassment.
It's like, what are you doing?
Whenever you are transporting something, always make sure that your load is secured properly. Otherwise, you might cause a lot of trouble for yourself and others around you in traffic.
Like, come on guys, secure your loads, man. It's the second thing.
Oh, he just straight up ate that light. He said, I'm gonna get out from line, I'm gonna go to the right lane, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna run the light, then I'll make that left. I don't care if it says no left turn, I don't care if there's oncoming traffic. Can't make this up.
Two of the cars in the right lane needed to get into the left lane since the right lane ahead is closed. They cut off some of the cars ahead of the camera, but one was particularly dangerous. This video is yet another proof that a lot of drivers regard road markings simply as decoration on the road. Two drivers went from a right turn lane to go straight ahead only, and they almost caused an accident.
Right up there in front of us? Clear cut all this. Oh, it's like that. Damn. We'll put that on the dash cam.
Whoa, that's impatient, isn't it?
That's territory there.
5:49. Do you want to put that on?
Yeah.
5:49. Do you want to take it in and do it tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
What about this for a crazy driver? All of a sudden, he stopped in the middle of the road for no reason at all, just so another person can get out of the car. And if that wasn't enough, the polo driver changed lanes illegally. After watching this video, you have to wonder how impatient one driver can actually get. The camera caught this crazy guy dangerously overtaking a cyclist, and if that wasn't enough, he did the same to more vehicles. Check this one out.
Really look both ways. Both ways, lady. Look both ways.
Man, he's like on his ass. It's like, why? It doesn't. You don't need to be on a person's ass like that.
You can't proceed to change lanes simply after you indicate, because indicators do not give you the right of way. You need to check your side view mirrors as well, because there might be other vehicles right where you want to be. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on DadeDashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw in today's episode. After all, it will make us really happy if you learned simply by observing the mistakes of others. And if you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that will really help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe, guys.